In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fit an Excel sheet on one page. This is a really handy skill, whether you're printing your spreadsheet for a meeting or simply trying to ensure everything fits nicely when viewed digitally. Let's get started. First, open your Excel workbook. Make sure you have the specific sheet you want to adjust ready. If you're working on a shared workbook via OneDrive, just navigate to it and open it as usual. Having your workbook prepared and correctly previewed helps to ensure that what you see is what you get when it comes to the final output. Once your workbook is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar and look for the Page Layout tab. This menu option gives you access to all the tools you will need for adjusting how your worksheet will look, both on the screen and when printed. Click on Page Layout to expand these options. Next, within the Page Layout options, look for Page Setup. This section is where you can manage all the details that affect the overall appearance and scaling of your page. Click on Page Setup to reveal a dialog box that offers several tabs including Margins, Orientation, and Size. All these options are useful, but for today, our focus will be on the Scaling tab. In the Page Setup dialog box, go to the Scaling section. Scaling is all about adjusting how the content of your spreadsheet fits onto a printed page. Here you can choose to scale your sheet by a specific percentage or to fit it to a certain number of pages wide and tall. This can be especially useful if your sheet is slightly too large for one page, as you can scale it down to ensure a nice fit without losing much detail. The final step is to click on Fit Sheet on one page. This option automatically adjusts both the width and height of your sheet so that all your data fits neatly on a single page. It handles the scaling for you, taking any guesswork out of manually adjusting the percentage or number of pages. After selecting this, you can preview your sheet to ensure everything looks just as you want it on the page. And there you have it. Your Excel sheet is now perfectly fitted onto a single page. This can save paper and make your printed documents look much more professional. Keep in mind, if your sheet is very large, fitting it onto one page might make the text small and hard to read. So always check the preview and make any necessary adjustments. With this simple process, you can manage the layout of your spreadsheets more effectively and produce neat, tidy outputs every time. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Happy excelling!